Tetra has evolved over the last 10 years into becoming the standard for digital communications, for critical communications, and it's proven to be a very successful open standard. And I think, at least from a Sepura perspective and from our perspective, and from speaking with customers and seeing the market, it's going to stay that way for quite a few years to come. Actually, today we announced the acquisition of 3T, which is an infrastructure manufacturer making Tetra, based out of Austria. We are very excited to make that announcement. It's a new direction for our company, but a very exciting direction. I think it's one that will be welcomed by the marketplace as well. Other than that, we're actually introducing a whole new range of handheld radios, the STP 9000 series, which has been extremely well received. It is the most ruggedized series of handheld radios in Tetra today. So we're quite excited about that, and it's a good platform to show products like that. And in credit to our colleagues in the business, we're all on the Tetra terminal manufacturer side. We're all bringing new products here, which also I think is a testimony to the fact that the Tetra business is an attractive business. It's a business where the manufacturers are investing and bringing new products. So I think it's quite exciting. I think it's exciting for all of us, and at the end of the day, it's very exciting for the Tetra users. First of all, not that I don't want to answer your question, but it's obviously something that's being very extensively discussed, especially also with recent announcements out of North America regarding LTE for public safety. But I think we need to focus equally much on using the technology that's out there and making sure that we protect the investments made in Tetra networks that are out there today. And one of the things that we are showcasing here during the Tetra World Congress are applications, our SDA applications, Sepura data applications. And we actually think that there's a lot more that we can do there. Everybody's talking about streaming video and huge amounts of data, but there are actually a lot of smart and clever things you can do with little data that will actually give you more capacity in your network. So as much as we like to talk about what's going to happen 10 years from now, we think it's also very important that we talk about what's happening today, and that's something which I think we'll see a lot more of in current Tetra. Having said that, we're in the comms business, we're in technology business. Still, it's a niche market compared to mobile phone market, so things don't evolve exactly as quickly. But yes, there are requirements out there for more data capacity, for broadband, and yes, currently things are looking like LTE, but it's probably too early to say. But there is a clear tendency in that direction given. I think it's been a very good show. Sort of timing and venue has worked out well for us. We launched at TWC last year. We launched our new ATEX radio. Had a lot of hype around it. We started first shipments and deliveries into market in March. But obviously for ATEX, the Middle East is a very interesting market for us, and we have really had a lot of interest. And it's also helped that we've made the first delivery, we have the first customer references out there. So in that respect, it's been a very good venue. We have been very busy, not a lot of breaks or anything else, so that's always positive. There are new projects, new customers, but equally important, we get a chance to spend some time with our distribution partners, discussing our new products, discussing the projects that we have ahead of us. Well, I mean, it ties in with Tetra Association and what has evolved there, and it's also to make sure that we as an industry send some signals to the users and to the outside world, so to speak, that critical communications is really the basis of it. Tetra is the chosen technology for critical communications today. But based on future requirements, we need to be open to what will happen in the future. So I think it makes perfect sense.